been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the wave, we go bottoms up, we go up.
We are not professional diesel mechanics, and this is not intended to be an instructional video. Always consult a professional mechanic when working on your motors. Be safe.
Come forward. You're up. Okay. Watch that tranny on that. Step a little bit back, okay? I'm a sensitive guy. Beautiful, huh?
Ah, it's beautiful.
Who you running off now, Mark?
Gotta be a printer. You know what? Maybe we can put one long zip tie all the way past through, hold all together.
Go get
No, I have. I give it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to clean and redo all of it. Right?
Right.
I'm gonna
Just
have
like
to-
I told you before, I think you feel more safe when you know, okay, we good because the whole engine is rebuilt. It's not a time at bump. Who knows
Yeah.
when it's gonna
You know
broke
what
something.
a bitch it is when your boat's all assembled? Get that out. That's a piece of it.
To get this out?
Yeah.
Not that one.
No, it's actually got a.
Going straight into the companionway, straight into the
Really?
engine compartment.
That's one of the few.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you something else. Get a reverso system, oil system.
Oh yeah?
It's a oil change system that plugs into your oil plug on the bottom
Yeah.
because they're so
You can
tight.
suck out.
Yeah, you just
the
hit a
oil.
button and your oil pumps into a 5-gallon drum or a
I
bucket.
still have some.
And
Yeah,
another
that's what
button
I'm talking
pumps
about.
it
You
right
smell it?
back in.
You smell it? The pictures, because you never know. Oh, where is this
That
one? And you
specific
find
spot.
one picture which one is include this. You know, so okay, it saved our life.
Right.
Yeah, this is no good too. Not just a hose. Corrosion is pretty much is. I think this is just a balancer.
Okie doke. Got all the head bolts off.
All the same size.
That's what I check now. Injector.
That one?
Yeah, you're right.
Good job, Victor. You're better off than me, man.
No one came out, so we have to remove the head now.
Yes.
But he said-
looked on YouTube.
This one is just have to came out like this.
Yeah. Just must be really in there, he said. This must have been sitting here a long time, you know.
You're right.
Got the head off. Whoa, dang. There's our problem.
Do them all when we can move all the way all the pistons, so the engine is turned over. No, use this one. Use this one.
That's not what you said.
Anti-seize. So I just chisel the big chunk rust off, but we have to move more down the piston, do a right job with this one.
Just did that piston right there that he's wiping off with a honer. It got rid of a lot of the rust.
See that? It was up like this.
Yeah.
What do you think? What is that here? This looks like a, I don't know. Looks like a build-up. The steel build-up. This is not a rust.
Corrosion?
No, look at this under my finger.
Yeah.
On the sidewall. Looks like it's something pushing out over
Like-
there.
Some kind of bulge? Like it looks like somebody touched it with a welder or something. I know they did it. I'm not saying that's exactly what happened, but video. See, it was right here.
Yep.
And this whole solenoid of some sorts connects to this switch. So it's like what? Like some sort of electric
Ignition
start motor or something? Or what? This is ground?
That's a relay.
Some kind of relay. I don't know. What's this connected to?
That's connected to this. I don't know what that is.
It won't hook in, huh? To the eye?
But you can lose a little bit on outside for me.
Okay.
And, the other side
I
is
need-
okay. The other side is, I believe it's okay. Maybe not. Anyways, this hook is no pursuit. It's too narrow.
There. Okay. So how do I get it apart right here? That one's different. I don't know why that one's smaller than all the rest of these, or most all the rest of these. Lehman Manufacturing Company 548.
So a little bit done.
Smack it.
Huh?
Smack it.
Now it's just the bottom.
There's a stud over here too.
Wait. Looks to me the plate, the half is off, the other half is stayed. So maybe we have to play with which one, just like that before, lifting by hand. Try hold it in balance. You go the other side, I come on this side. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Your stud is frozen. Way out.
Yeah.
Just put it down. You good?
Yeah.
Good job.
Look at that.
Have you no broke nothing?
We didn't break shit. This one is 9/16, and the rest of them are 1/2 inch. Okay.
How come you got the nut in there? You afraid you're gonna jump yourself in the balls?
No. It's just giving me something to tighten up against to hold the arms in place. You know what I mean? Well, I think,
You got a good idea with the rubber band. Will it go all the way up?
yeah, but then it just comes right back down. But it's still putting the tension on it that I need, you know? It's coming off.
Should have brought it.
See
Yeah,
that?
it's coming off. It's gonna come to a point where it just goes pop.
Pry bar? Or just keep doing it?
I think I'm gonna just try to slam it a couple times without the nut on and grab that other arm, son. It's kind of rubber band spring loaded right now.
Yeah.
There you go.
Good idea, though.
Thanks.
They need to make a spring-loaded version of one of these.
It's hard to justify that you're only going to use probably a couple times in your life.
True.
Where'd your keyway
Thanks,
go?
Mark.
Hey, when I was 16, I bought this crappy Honda Civic. I
Belt.
rebuilt the motor and tranny. I learned a lot.
Shim.
My friend, he was at Boat Tech. I must pull that trailer
Another
before
belt.
the grind gear shifting.
There's not another one. It's just in between the pulleys.
That's good.
Yeah, got those. What are those called?
The connection at the bottom. I don't know. Almost like a mirror. No scratch.
Do it. We'd like to give a special thank you and a shout out to that sensitive guy. You know who you are. And we'd like to thank Victor for sharing him. Hey, we could not do this without you.
Alright, we got the last piston out that was seizing the whole thing up. We got the crankshaft, we got all the brackets that are holding the crankshaft, the camshaft. The motor is completely torn apart. All we have left.
Looks like there's sleeves, cylinder sleeves that we can get out and just replace, and then we won't have to actually bore out the cylinders at all. We can just replace these sleeves, it looks like, which is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Right.
All of them are clear. Show them they're all cleared out.
Please check out our blog and don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Thanks for watching.